What's up YouTube families? In today's video, I'm going to show you the online business idea 4 ways that you will make money online for this 2021. So if you are the one that is still struggling with your first sale, then this is the video for you. Welcome back, guys. So before we start, I want to thank you for coming to this channel. So I will provide you a free training on $460 in online affiliate commission. I will leave this link inside the description box, the first link. All right. So if you're new to this channel, I'm Johnson Lin. I'm a full-time online entrepreneur. I make video about how to make money online, especially affiliate marketing. If you love this kind of content and you want to make money online, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell and smash the like button. All right, so without any further ado, let's get into today's video. So when you're starting an online business, you can either to choose paid traffic method or free traffic method, or maybe later on you have more experience, you can use both. So with paid traffic method, you will get result much faster. You can set up the campaign today and you can get result week later, just like that, very fast. But you need to do a lot of tests because you need to test different kind of pictures, different kind of video, and see which one perform better. So you might end up to lose a lot of money in the front end, and later on, maybe a few months later, you will end up to be profitable. So if you are a beginner, I will recommend you start with free traffic, because if you start with paid traffic, you might end up of losing a lot of money if you don't know what you are doing. Okay, so if you want to start with free traffic method convert much better than paid traffic, because free traffic method, you will build up your audience first. You will give them free volume first, and once they know who you are, what do you do, and how you can help them, and they will have more trust with you. So later on, you promote any product to them, they will buy from you. So with free traffic, you also don't need to pay for anything. That also the benefit, and it's because you need to build up the trust with your audience, so it takes time, but it will converts much better than paid traffic. So today we're going to focus on free traffic method. I will show you 4 different ways you can start building your audience and much faster, and you can make sale and also build up passive income. So the first way will make you money online is with YouTube. So for those people that doesn't like to write articles, you just like to talk about it, you can start with the YouTube channel. So all you do is you just record your screen and talk about it. You don't have to show your face if you don't want to. So YouTube is a search engine optimization. People will find your content on YouTube. So when people want to watch video, where do they go? YouTube. So when they find your content and you can solve the problem they have, then you will provide the product with the solution and they will buy from you. So that's why YouTube converts much better. So all you do is you can just upload a video once a week. This is a minimum. The more you can upload, the much better. So this video will stay on YouTube forever. If you don't delete them, they will stay on YouTube forever, and this video will stop making money for you passively. So maybe a month later, maybe a year later, people will still find your video on YouTube, and this video will start making money for you. But when you're starting a YouTube channel, you're a small channel, YouTube won't promote your video at the front. So you need to drive traffic from yourself. You need to go find other platform to drive traffic, and also you need to upload a lot of video. The more video you have on YouTube, the more chance your video will go viral and people will find your channel and will subscribe to your channel, and also you will get more money. So that's why to build up a YouTube channel takes time. So here comes the second way you will make money online. You can use Instagram to drive traffic to your YouTube channel to build up your YouTube channel much faster. So the second way you will make money online is with Instagram. So with Instagram, you can build up your audience much faster than YouTube. So all you need is 1,000 followers and you can start promote any product you want. So on Instagram, all you need is just paste your content consistently and at least 3 times a day. This is the minimum. So when you just start your page, I would recommend post 5 to 10 times a day, every single day. So that's why, because your content will die out very fast. So if you post more posts on Instagram and your posts will go viral, there will be more chance to go viral and people will find your page and follow your page. So the more followers you get, the more sales that you will get. So that's why you need to build up your Instagram. So if you want to see more detail on how to build up your Instagram for free, so you can check out the video right now on the card. So I will show you all the detail to build up your Instagram page for free. So I would highly recommend you can start with using Instagram with YouTube channel. You can start with both platforms because these two platforms, you can connect them together. So first, when you're starting a YouTube channel, you don't have much traffic. So you can drive traffic from Instagram. So Instagram will drive traffic to your YouTube channel, then your YouTube growth will be much faster. In the beginning, you don't make money on YouTube, you can make money on Instagram. So you can get a little bit sale on Instagram. So once your YouTube channel grows, your YouTube channel become a big channel, then you can start receiving these passive income. So you can use these two platforms and combine them together, so you will make even more sale, even more money. So for those people who doesn't like to talk about it and just like to work behind the laptop, then you can use the third way to make money online. So it's a blog. So you can start a blog because blog is a SEO optimization. So people will find your content on Google. Your articles will rank on Google. So when people finding your articles on Google, if your articles can solve their problem, then they will buy anything that you promote. So that's why a blog converts much better, much higher conversion rates. And these articles will stay on your website forever if you don't delete them. So all you do is you just upload an articles every single day. So this is the minimum. You need to upload every single day with an article. So at least you need 50 articles on your website, and your website will be start ranking on Google, and normally will take you 6 month to a year. Then you can start to see those clicks coming into your website, and people will start buying any product you promote on your website. So also building up a blog takes a lot of time. So now you will need another platform to help you to ranking on your blog. So the final way you will make money online is with Pinterest. So also Pinterest, you can get traffic much faster than your blog, your website. So you can build up an audience on Pinterest much faster and much easier. So all you do is you just create different kind of board. I would recommend 10 board at least. And so inside each board, you will pin other people's pin inside this board. So also at least 5 to 10 pin. So once you have this amount of pins and this board inside your page, then you can start create your own pin, and you can drive traffic to your product or to your blog. And also this content, this pin will die out very fast because everybody is doing this. So you need to consistently posting pin at least 10 pin in your board every single day. So you will start growing your audience on your Pinterest, so you can either to sell products straight away, or you can drive traffic to your blog, to your website. So also I would recommend, if you like to writing articles, I would recommend to start a blog with a Pinterest account, a Pinterest page. So you can drive traffic from Pinterest to your website. So that's why you can start growing your website, your blog much faster. So at the beginning, you can make a sale from Pinterest and you can get money from this way. And after that, your blog has growing up and have a lot of followers, then you can start making this passive income. So just a quick reminder what we learned today. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, you can also start with an Instagram account, because these two platforms will combine them together. Once you just starting, you can make sale from Instagram account, you can make money this way, and once your YouTube channel grows, going to a big channel, then you can get more passive income. So these two platforms will help you together. These platforms, you can connect them together and make even more money. So if you want to write articles, then you can start build up your blog and with a Pinterest account. Pinterest will help you to build up your blog so you can make money from Pinterest first, and after that your blog growing big, you have a lot of followers on your blog and a lot of articles rank on Google, then you can get money from blog by possibly, and also you can get money from Pinterest. So these platforms are all connect together. So if you want to make money, you should do this way. So don't start with all these 4 platforms, otherwise you will easy to get overwhelming. So just either to choose Instagram with YouTube channel or Pinterest with your blog. Because if you start with all these 4, you are easy to get overwhelming. So if you like to talk about it, you can start a YouTube channel with Instagram. You like to writing articles, you start with the blog with Pinterest. Okay? So basically this is all for today, and if you like today's video, give me a thumbs up, I'll be appreciated, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future making money online video. And don't forget the free training, how to make $460 in online affiliate commission. I will leave this link inside the description box, the first link. Alright, so thanks for your time, and I will see you in the next video. See you. Bye.